Greetings, adventurers.
Oh. Greetings, adventurers!
We are on the Rum River today, doing something a little different for the 25th video.
Episode!
We are kayaking down the Rum River. We've done some rapids. Woo! This is interesting. No idea what this is. Good old river garbage.
We are about to hit some rapids.
Oh yeah.
And Joe's going for them.
Going for the rapids. More tires. Oh yeah, you probably did want to go this way. Looks shallow. Shooting the rapids. Woo! Scoot it, son. Scoot it. We thought the whole time was gonna take about 4 hours. It's been about 3 hours and we're not quite to our halfway point. So
we're gonna be shortening this trip.
We're gonna figure out some other way to get back to our car. We stopped to have a little break and have a snack, and we're gonna continue a little longer.
Get back in the boats.
Get back in the boats. Turtle Island. They just want to park in the middle of the boat. That was an adventure, all right, for our 25th video for the channel. It was great fun kayaking. The water was beautiful. We saw a couple eagles. I got one of them on video here, and the other one swooped right by us. I didn't have any time to get ready for that, so I didn't get that. I also missed a river otter. We went to from Rum River North County Park. North Country Park to Rum River Central Park. And once we got to Central Park, there was a guy there walking his dog, and he offered to give us a ride back to our car, since we were not at where we were supposed to be. We only went about half the distance we meant to, but in about the same time we were planning on. We were planning on a 4-hour kayaking trip, and it took us about 4 hours, but we only got halfway. So I guess we'll have to plan a little better next time, but it was a lot of fun. Saw some cool stuff. It was a gorgeous day today. And I guess until our next adventure, signing out.